Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see someone's location on iPhone. So when you're trying to locate someone that also has an iPhone, then here's a really easy way to do this. So actually there's an iPhone app over on your phone called Find My. This is defaultly installed on every single iPhone, and when you open it, you will literally be able to see everyone's location you have shared it with. So right now I only have shared my location with one other person. However, if you have shared your location with your friends, then obviously this is a really easy way in order to check their location, because this is one of the most precise location tracking apps they have, and it's also completely default by Apple, which is just really nice. So you know the data isn't stored somewhere else, and it's completely private, and you and that other person you're sharing it with are the only people who can actually see that location. So to check someone's location, literally all you need to do is zoom in and out of this map, and then you will literally be able to see their location by seeing their profile picture where it is on the map. Now, if you have no one over on this Find My app, then what you can do is click on this little plus icon right here. You can click on share my location, and then literally right here you can share your location to whoever you want. This can be your friend. All they need is an iPhone, and then you will be able to share the location and you will be able to see their location as well. So that's how you can see someone's location on iPhone. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.